Saskatoon rental market statistics, August 2025. Saskatoon, Saskatchewan, the bridge city and vibrant university hub of the prairies, showcased exceptional affordability and tenant-friendly policies in its rental market throughout August 2025. Known for its strong educational institutions, thriving art scene, beautiful riverbank setting, and welcoming community atmosphere, Saskatoon continues to attract students, young professionals, and families seeking quality living at remarkably accessible prices. Unit types and availability. Saskatoon's rental housing market demonstrated a well-balanced approach to urban living, with a healthy mix of apartment-style units and family-oriented housing options. In August 2025, the market was characterized by its strong representation of two-bedroom units, leading with 166 unique listings, followed by one-bedroom apartments with 132 unique listings. Two-bedroom units dominated the market at 36% of total inventory, serving roommates, couples, graduate students, and small families. One-bedroom apartments represented 28% of the market, catering to solo renters, undergraduates, and young professionals. The substantial family housing inventory included 50 townhouses and 37 houses, demonstrating Saskatoon's appeal to families seeking rental options while maintaining homeownership aspirations. Three-bedroom units provided 44 listings for larger families and students sharing accommodations, while studios offered 21 units for budget-conscious renters, prioritizing location over space. The market showed modest availability in specialty categories, with basement suites providing 12 affordable units and minimal presence in duplexes, main floors, and rooms. Unit types distribution. Distribution among the 466 total unique rental units tracked this month breaks down as follows. Two-bedroom, 36%. One-bedroom, 28%. Townhouse, 10%. Three-bedroom, 9%. House, 8%. Studio, 5%. Basement, 3%. Duplex, 1%. Main floor, 0%. Room, 0%. This distribution illustrates Saskatoon's balanced rental market, with apartment-style living comprising 64% of inventory, while maintaining significant family housing options. Current average rental prices. Rental prices in Saskatoon during August 2025 offered outstanding affordability, establishing the city as one of Canada's most accessible urban rental markets. Saskatoon's pricing structure provides excellent value across all housing categories while maintaining quality and convenience for residents. Average prices in Saskatoon. House, $2,147. Townhouse, $2,071. Three-bedroom, $1,916. Duplex, $1,791. Main floor, $1,750. Two-bedroom, $1,508. Basement, $1,351. One-bedroom, $1,279. Studio, $1,036. Saskatoon's pricing demonstrates exceptional affordability across all categories, with even premium houses averaging only $2,147. The price per square foot ranges from $1.53 for duplexes to $2.90 for studios, with studios commanding higher per square foot rates due to their efficiency and proximity to the university and downtown areas. Studio market summary. Studios offered compact urban living with monthly rents ranging from $725 to $2,475, averaging $1,036, representing outstanding value for downtown and university area proximity. With 11 daily listings available, studios serve students, young professionals, and minimalist renters seeking affordable city living. At $2.90 per square foot, studios provide premium location access at highly accessible absolute prices. Monthly average studio availability. Studio availability showed gradual decline throughout August, ranging from 9 to 13 units. The month began with 12 units, remained stable through mid-month at 10 to 11 units, then declined to 9 units by month end. This downward trend suggests steady leasing activity ahead of the academic year. One-bedroom market summary. One-bedroom units averaged $1,279, with price points from $699 to $2,105, offering excellent range from student-friendly to premium options. This segment provided 77 listings per day, representing a significant portion of Saskatoon's rental inventory. At $2.29 per square foot, one-bedrooms deliver exceptional value for independent urban living. Monthly average one-bedroom availability. Availability remained remarkably stable throughout the month, consistently ranging from 70 to 79 units. Starting at 74 units and finishing at 76, with peak availability of 79 units, the market demonstrated excellent stability, ideal for prospective tenants planning their housing search. Two-bedroom market summary. With an average price of $1,508 and prices ranging from $825 to $2,400, two-bedroom units offered 77 listings daily. This segment serves roommates, couples, graduate students, and small families seeking spacious living at accessible prices. At $1.92 per square foot, two bedrooms provide outstanding space-to-cost ratios. Monthly average two-bedroom availability. Supply levels remained consistent, ranging from 70 to 79 units throughout the month, starting at 73 units and finishing at 75, with a brief mid-month dip to 70. The market showed healthy stability with minor fluctuations reflecting normal leasing activity. Three-bedroom market summary. Three-bedroom units, priced between $849 and $2,750 and averaging $1,916, serve Saskatoon's family and student group rental market with exceptional affordability. Daily availability averaged 18 units, providing options for larger families and student house shares. At $1.94 per square foot, three bedrooms offer excellent value for spacious living arrangements. Monthly average three-bedroom availability. Availability showed some variation, ranging from 16 to 20 units throughout August, starting at 19 units, peaking at 20, then declining to 16 to 17 units through the latter half of the month. This pattern suggests active leasing by families and student groups preparing for the academic year. House market summary. Detached houses offered accessible single-family living, averaging $2,147 with prices ranging from $1,100 to $3,400. With 18 daily listings available, single-family rentals remain more accessible in Saskatoon than in larger centers. At $2.06 per square foot, houses provide good value for space, privacy, and the Saskatoon lifestyle. Monthly average house availability. Availability showed steady growth throughout the month, starting at 14 units and climbing to 19 units by mid-month, then stabilizing around 16 to 18 units. This growth pattern suggests increasing inventory as families consider rental options or investors enter the market. Duplex market summary. Duplexes represented a minimal market segment, averaging $1,791 per month with a narrow price range from $1,700 to $2,200. With only one unit available daily, duplexes offer semi-private living arrangements, but with extremely limited availability. At $1.53 per square foot, the limited duplex inventory provides competitive value for those seeking more privacy than apartments. Monthly average duplex availability. Availability remained extremely limited, ranging from 1 to 2 units throughout the month, starting at 1 unit, briefly increasing to 2 units in early August, then returning to 1 unit for most of the month. This minimal inventory reflects very limited supply in this housing category. Townhouse market summary. Townhouses averaged $2,071, ranging from $1,399 to $2,995, representing Saskatoon's primary family housing option within the rental market. Daily supply reached 24 listings, making them accessible to families seeking multi-level living with community amenities. At $1.94 per square foot, townhouses provide excellent value for family-oriented multi-level living. Monthly average townhouse availability. Availability showed positive growth patterns, starting at 24 units, declining briefly to 21 to 22 units, then recovering to peak at 26 units for the month's final week. This upward trend suggests increasing supply meeting family housing demand. Main floor market summary. Main floor units represented an extremely limited category, with consistent pricing at $1,750 per month and minimal availability that disappeared entirely in the month's final third. At $1.73 per square foot, this housing type provided house-style living with private entry, though severe availability constraints make it largely inaccessible. Monthly average main floor availability. Availability remained at 1 unit for 2/3 of the month, then dropped to 0 for the final third of August. This pattern suggests a single listing that was leased and not replaced, indicating very limited market participation in this category. Basement market summary. Basement suites provided essential affordable housing, averaging $1,351 with prices ranging from $1,000 to $1,600. With 6 daily listings available, basement serves students, newcomers, and budget-conscious renters seeking accessible accommodation. At $2.32 per square foot, basements offer solid value for affordable housing with reasonable amenities. Monthly average basement availability. Availability remained stable throughout August, consistently ranging from 5 to 7 units. This stability indicates steady supply meeting consistent demand from students and budget-conscious renters, with minor fluctuations reflecting normal turnover patterns. Monthly utility expenses. Only 2.45% of listings included utilities in the rent, requiring virtually all tenants to budget separately for electricity, heating, and water. Given Saskatchewan's extreme winters, separate utility billing necessitates careful budgeting for potentially substantial heating costs during extended cold periods. Pet policy. An impressive 76.29% of listings were pet-friendly, demonstrating Saskatoon's strong tenant-friendly approach and recognition of pet ownership among renters. This high percentage makes Saskatoon notably accommodating for pet owners, ranking among Canada's most pet-friendly rental markets. Terms of lease. Lease agreements showed strong preference for stability, with 94% of listings offering long-term options compared to only 6% allowing short-term arrangements, reflecting Saskatchewan's rental culture emphasizing consistent, reliable long-term tenancies. Conclusion. August 2025 revealed Saskatoon's exceptional position as one of Canada's most balanced and affordable rental markets, combining outstanding pricing with diverse housing options serving students, professionals, and families. With 466 total units distributed across apartment and family housing categories, Saskatoon efficiently accommodates the diverse needs of a university city. Thank you for watching. If you found this report valuable, please subscribe to our channel Rent Sell Buy for monthly updates and in-depth market insights. Don't miss our upcoming September Saskatoon rental market update, where we'll continue tracking trends, pricing changes, and availability across all property types. Stay informed and make better rental decisions with our data-driven reports.